everyone, and welcome to Fantastic Science. Today, we will be trying to make gummy worms dance in the dancing Frankenworms experiment. Woo! That sounds scary. So let's get started. For this fantastic science experiment, you will need gummy worms, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, a cup of vinegar, a cup of warm water, 2 clear cups, a cutting board and a sharp knife or scissors. This spooky science activity is perfect for all those little Dr. Frankenstein scientists out there. So let's get started. Step 1. Cut the gummy worms in quarters lengthwise. You want long thin strips of worms. Step 2. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to 1 cup of warm water. Step 3. Add a few worms to the baking soda and water mixture. Let the worms soak in this solution for at least 15 minutes. Step 4. While waiting, fill the second cup with vinegar. After 15 minutes, carefully fish the worms out of the baking soda solution with a fork, and place them in the vinegar. Step 5. Watch the bubbles form and wait to see if the worms start to dance. Our worms are not dancing. Let's try again. This time, we used less water in the baking soda solution, and we left the worms to soak for about half an hour. Let's see if it worked. Yay! Our worms are dancing! When you add the worms soaked in baking soda to the vinegar, the acetic acid in the vinegar reacts with the bicarbonate in the baking soda. When an acid mixes with an alkaline substance, carbon dioxide gas bubbles form. As the gas bubbles rise to the surface, they pull the gummy worms up with them, making them wriggle and dance. The bubbles will continue to form until all the baking soda on the worms has reacted with the vinegar, and then the worms will stop wiggling. What a spooktastic experiment! We hope you enjoyed it. See you all next time. Goodbye.